Whether you sell your designs on Teespring, Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, or any other platform, you will need to have a solid marketing strategy in order to attract customers. With ever-increasing competition, online marketing has become highly important for every t-shirt design business. This course was specifically designed for anyone in the print-on-demand t-shirt business looking to improve their online marketing. You will learn multiple online marketing techniques to build awareness, attract more customers, and of course, increase unit sales. But before we dive into the various marketing and promotion strategies, let's go over a brief overview of how to get started in the t-shirt design business. Starting a t-shirt design business is actually quite simple and can be done in a few easy steps. You should start by building a target audience focused around a specific niche. This can be accomplished by creating online content that people interested in that niche would like to view, read, or listen to. For instance, if you're a fishing expert, you could start a fishing blog where you post weekly fishing tips in order to build authority and build your following around this topic. The content you create can be in any form, whether it's in written form such as blog posts, video, or even audio such as podcasts. The reason I mention this first is that the t-shirt design business works exceptionally well for those that already have or can build a following in a targeted niche, whether it be on social media or with an email list. If you already have an online audience, this would be a huge advantage. To start your t-shirt design business to offer products to your audience, you can join a print-on-demand platform such as Teespring, Cafe Press, or Merch by Amazon. These platforms will actually store the t-shirt inventory, print your designs onto the shirts, and ship all the product orders to your customers. This allows you to focus solely on creating your designs while they do all the heavy lifting on the back end. Next, you will need some designs to upload. If you're an experienced designer, you can use your favorite photo editor or download a free editor like GIMP and create designs for your t-shirts. Make sure you create t-shirt designs that you know your target audience would love. If you're not great at designing, you could also hire a freelance designers on sites like Upwork or Fiverr to create your designs for you. After you create and upload your designs to the print-on-demand platform that you selected, they will now be available for sale. You can now create marketing posts containing your shirt designs for your target audience and even start running paid ads to your products. Marketing to your target audience can be done in a ton of different ways using multiple different platforms, and in this course, we will be covering some of my favorite methods. Hopefully you already have some type of following to start marketing your designs to, but if not, that's okay too. We'll cover tons of strategies to help you get started. If you need more detailed instruction on starting your t-shirt design business, be sure to check out my Start a T-Shirt Design Business Masterclass from my instructor profile. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, Jason here again with Quantum Courses, and thanks for checking out this video preview. To get the full course and view our other online courses and masterclasses, head over to jasongandy.org or click the link down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click that like button, and I'll see you next time.